Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Let me see if I can see any comments. Let's see if we got this to work. Let's see. If you want to tell me where you're joining in from, let me know how your day's going. It's Friday. There we go. Here, let's see this. Perfect. Well, everybody, I am Sonia. I am part of the Kiwi Experience team as one of the marketing team members. And I am hopping on this craft-in on a Friday, one for my first ever craft-in, so this is kind of exciting. But two, to talk about our new product release. Let's see if I can see any comments. If you're there, say hi. I would love to chat with everybody. Hi from Michigan. Oh, that's cool. My mom lived in Michigan for a little bit, but I can't tell you where. Marsha, thank you for joining me. How's everyone's Friday? It's a little smoky over here, actually. I'm in Twin Falls, Idaho, and it is a little yellow outside, a little smoky. Hi from Wyoming. Oh, I also have family in Wyoming, Nikki. I love that. Southern California, another Michigan, Raleigh. Oh, I'm so happy you guys are joining me. How fun. We're going to have some fun on this Friday afternoon. So we're going to talk Germany. Oh, hi, Margie. That's awesome. Okay, we're going to talk new product release. But a little unique to that, we're going to talk about my kind of creating journey with this. So let me just say that this was the first time I'd ever created something ever. And I shared this at the pre-release party, but a bunch of the girls at work got together and we were playing with the new product release, creating with it. And so I wanted to share with you guys what I made. So this is the 7-inch shiplap circle from our latest release in our DIY styles. And so I created this, I would like to refer to it as a snow globe. I created this snow globe and just cut out the individual sheets of paper and then inked them, of course. And I used the Rejoice design kit, part of our snap frame collection, now DIY styles. And then the tree template. So this is what I originally made. First time ever creating something. I was so excited. I never made anything before. And I just said that I was going to sit down and create with the girls. So I had a lot of fun making this and it was so simple. And so all I did was ink the letters and I inked the tree. And then inside the tree, I cut out this green kind of polka dotted paper behind it to make it stand out a bit. But I really enjoyed the conflicting patterns. And so that's kind of what I did with this one. But then I was thinking, because I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. So this paper was from the December 19 Kiwi Club, which we no longer have in stock. So then I made a second one with the December 2020 paper that we do have in stock. So I made this one for December 2020. Did a different kind of design here with the 2 Christmas trees. Still did kind of the same basic layout with the joy and then the paper strips, cut them and inked them. Oh, thank you, Nikki. Yeah, I was so excited to make something. And what I was thinking, I lost the string. What I was thinking to do was I was going to glue a string and make this an ornament that can hang on the tree. And then kind of every year make a cute new ornament that was kind of custom to put on the tree. But I kind of wanted to share with you guys some things that I learned as like a first time creator, maybe some tips and tricks, things that I could do better, maybe get some advice from you guys. So one thing I wanted to point out that I did, so on this one, I used like the glue or the sticky that was like, that you pull, it's like tape. I used like tape sticky to put the paper down and the elements. And I noticed for sure, I don't know if you guys can see on the edges are coming up a bit, and I couldn't get them, you know, I just used tape. So for sure, one thing I noticed was that I could definitely glue my edges down. Yeah, you can see it right there. And then also something that Susan does that I think is such a good idea is you can look at the back of my circle. My paper is kind of hanging off the edge here. Definitely I can take like a nail file or sandpaper and sand those down to give it a more clean finish. So those are some things that I kind of learned in my little journey that I will definitely be doing just to make it a little cleaner. But on this one that I made with the December 2020 paper kit, I used Mod Podge. So I Mod Podged the whole shiplap circle. And then I put the paper on, and there's definitely no lifting, there's no peeling. I also did Mod Podge for all these elements and the joy, and that really stuck down really well and nothing was lifting. So something I did to improve this circle was definitely do the Mod Podge. And then I also, well, same with this one, need to go through and kind of sand those down to give it a more finished look. But I liked this one a lot because this one has elements of like green in it. We've got some pink, some blue right there, this kind of green and pink blue right here. So I figured having the trees be the pink and blue gave it less of a traditional Christmas feel, and a little more, you know, bright and fun. But I was so excited to create with this because it was the new product release and I liked the idea of the conflicting patterns. But also it was just a way for me to push myself to a limit of creating and see what I could do because I'd never done anything like this before. And like taking the time to sit down and make something. So I was really excited about it. I learned a lot about my own personal style because even when I was kind of laying it out before I cut anything or experimented, all the other girls at work didn't even think to do the different strips to kind of mirror the shiplap still and just the way that I had laid it out. So I was really kind of impressed and excited to see how far my creative journey and being a creator can go. So you might see more creations from me in the future, but I was very excited about it. And this is just another way to do the shiplap circle. Of course, on the back, you can do a design here. I was thinking maybe I would turn this into an H, kind of make this an H design, only because every year for Christmas, we try and buy new Christmas ornaments that are an H, because my last name's Herrera. So if you look at our Christmas tree, all you see are a bunch of H's. So I figured that could be a cute thing to put here is maybe an H. But I was really excited about it. Our new product release. This is the shiplap circle. Let's see if we have any questions or comments. Margie, thank you. Yeah, I was so excited about it. I felt like it was such a simple and easy way to start with the DIY styles. I'm not a huge scrapbooker. I don't take a lot of photos or anything. So maybe I should start, you know, see how well I could play with those kind of elements. But I really did like it so much. Do you guys have any questions, any comments? If you are yesterday the product release opened up to the community, so if you're looking to kind of check out the product release, you can go to the website, click on the shop drop down, and do view latest products, and all of them will pop up front, or you can go to our kiwilane.com/new release -816 or 85. That landing page has all of the descriptions and kind of samples that everyone created. So with their new product release, I did see someone in the community, I want to say it was Kristen, the other day shared a shiplap circle, and she did a sunflower conflicting pattern. So she did a sunflower one, and she cut out the patterns just like this and then did like a little fence. So it definitely can be spring or summer, winter. I did a Christmas theme one. And then of course, yeah, I inked the tree and inked the letters. So some inspiration for your Friday. So I will put up in the description and comments the new release link. Tonight, Linda Hansen, creative partner Linda Hansen, is going to be doing another new release show and tell, but she's going to be talking about how to make a children's storybook with a new release. That could be really fun. Are the boards going to be available all the time, or is it temporary? So yes, they're a part of our new release. So yeah, wood truck, wood house, wood circle, but then we also have our live simply words and spread kindness wood words that you can see in some of our new samples. Oh yay, thanks Dylan. Yeah, I was really excited about it, you guys, making something. So I made 2 of them just to show you the different paper and different ways you can kind of go about it. But I really liked it. So yeah, this new release is around for DIY styles as a part of our collection. So we have the wood elements that you can use in snap frames. You can do them on their own. You can put them in tier trays, which you'll kind of see later on from us as we continue to explore this new way of creating, which I'm really thankful for because I was not intimidated by this. This was easy for me had I started with this. So I'm excited that we have this category now and I'm able to experiment with it. Maybe that will lead me into card making or scrapbooking. But for now, I will stay with the DIY styles that we created for creators. And I think it's perfect for first timers like myself. So yeah, Nikki, I loved the different paper. And it's fun too, because I was thinking I wanted to do one for spring or summer with kind of blue and green paper and make like a flower one, maybe use tiny plants, which was a part of our new release or something. So I really liked them. All right, you guys, well, I'm gonna hop off for our Friday. Thank you for joining me. Be sure to tune in tonight. Linda Hansen, like I said, creative partner Linda Hansen is doing a children's storybook. So that is happening at 6 p.m. Central Time. So tune in to her live, and I hope you guys have a good Friday. Bye.